Good day to my instructor, Dr. Jonel Mark D. Sarno. In this video presentation, I'm going to tackle the importance of drug education and control. So, let's begin. Drug education and control play an important role in protecting young people and building safer communities. Through education, individuals can understand the dangers and the consequences of drug use and harmful vices while learning how to make responsible choices. Creative activities such as poster slogans, campaigns, artwork, performance, and social media advocacy can give young people a meaningful way to express preventive measures and spreads awareness by encouraging them to creativity and participation. We can empower the youth to become active advocates for free, drug, healthy, and responsible community. Based on my slogan, state that protect the youth, prevent drugs and vices, preserve future, reminds us that prevention begins with the choice we make today. Protecting the youth means guiding them towards education, discipline, respect, and healthy relationship and positive goals while helping them resist peer pressure and harmful influences. When we work together to prevent drugs and vice, we protect not only individuals but also families, communities. Strong youth create strong communities, and strong communities create a brighter future. And that could be all. Thank you.